Hello, what's up guys? This is Baby Snow and today is March 3, 2020 dito po sa Canada. So, 2 months ago, nag-share ako sa inyo ng isang napakagandang opportunity. It's about Forex trading education. This company is called Tradera. Ano nga ba si Tradera at paano tayo kikita dito? So, kung familiar kayo sa network marketing, dito po yung pinakapatok na business kung saan marami na po tayong mga nakita, mga proof na mga pinayamang tao. And kapag nasa online industry ka, ito yung talagang trend na business na talagang pinagkakakitaan ng marami. So, dito walang discrimination kahit nakapag-aral ka o hindi, kaya mong gawin ang network marketing. But now, meron pang isa pa pala na mas huge industry, mas giant industry, and it is called the foreign exchange market. If you compare the network marketing versus foreign exchange market, network marketing is a $180 billion industry annually. So yearly po ito compared to $6 trillion daily industry. So if you compare that, sobrang mas hamak na mas malaki pong industry si foreign exchange market. So can you imagine kung si network marketing napakadaming pinayamang tao, how much more itong foreign exchange market? And ito na nga po yung offer ni Tradera about foreign exchange market. This is about Forex trading education. Ito yung ginagawa ng mga professional traders, banks, institutions, and yung mga malalaking company lang guys. Like for example, si bank, nag-hire po yan ng mga professional traders para i-trade yung mga money na kung saan yun yung mga savings natin. Ang traders po, kahit i-research nyo yan, ito yung isa sa pinaka mayayaman. Travelers, ito yung lifestyle na pinapangarap natin lahat.
$2K profit. This is real, guys. You can sell the trade.
So guys, grabe no? Kung merong isang opportunity na magbibigay sa'yo ng way paano mo matutunan yung ginagawa ng mga taong to, kung paano mag-generate ng profit, paano maging money-making machine, kaya mo bang pasukin? Guys, adapt, change, and jump into the most trend business today. Now, learning Forex trading is very expensive. Other company, they offer $200 up to $500 monthly subscription. Sa Philippines po, meron din na Forex education, pero they are offering 50,000 to 85,000 pesos for 3 months para lang matutunan ng Forex trading. Kaya naman sobrang mahal yan guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag natutunan nyo yan, para ka ng money-making machine. So, it's like a profession kung saan hindi mo naman siya aaralin ng sobrang tagal. Kailangan mo lang ng proper skill set, proper knowledge, and proper discipline sa pag-trade. Kasi kung hindi mo aaralin ito, para kang nagsusugal. So, kailangan mo talaga ng proper skill set kung saan yan po talaga ang makukuha mo, magigain mo once na nag-enroll ka or once na nag-subscribe ka dito kay Tradera. Now, why paying these amounts if you can get it for only $99 per month subscription? Yung ibang tao bumabayad ng $200 to $500 monthly para lang matuto ng trading. And sa Pinas nga, sabi ko nga po guys, 50,000 to 85,000 for 3 months lang yan to learn Forex trading. Now, si Tradera nag-o-offer po sa atin just $99 per month. Ito po yon. For just $99, meron kang magiging access, trade alerts, market forecast, okay, trading education, ayan na nga po yun, from basic to advanced, para kang grade 1. So, kahit zero knowledge ka, kahit may experience ka na, kahit pro trader ka na, mama-maximize mo yan, ma-enhance mo yan dito kay Tradera. We also have live trading sessions, fundamental analysis, and we have the referral compensation plan. Another benefit of being a paid member kay Tradera, meron tayong trading signals. Dito guys, marami tayong members na just by copying the signals na sinesend ni Tradera sa back office or sa Telegram, basta paid member ka, maa-access mo yon. So, ang basic goal ni Tradera is tuturuan ka kung kailan ka magbabay, magsisell, at kung kailan wag mong pasukin ang market. So, ang owners po ni company, they are professional traders. Sineshare nila yung knowledge nila, yung skills nila sa mga taong gustong matutunan ang Forex trading. Now, ito po yung sinasabi ko, you can win through copying and pasting signals. So, syempre, kapag nagsisimula ka, wala ka pang enough lakas ng loob para sumabak sa market. Kung alam mo na yung basic, yung signals, kopyahin mo lang. Kapag nagawa mo yan, para ka ng professional trader. Why? Kasi kinopya mo yung mga trades ng mga professionals. You can now do what the banks can do. Why? Kasi yung mga bangko nag-hire ng mga professional traders yan para lang mag-trade ng mga pera natin, yung mga savings natin sa kanila. Okay? Then you can generate profit anytime you want. So kahit nagkakape ka lang bago pumasok sa work, nasa biyahe ka, sa break time mo, bago matulog, anywhere, anytime, basta meron kang internet, pwede kang mag-generate ng dollars. Okay? So kung meron kang cellphone and internet, you can earn. You can make money while mastering the Forex trading education inside Tradera back office. So habang inaaral mo, habang minamaster mo ang Forex trading, pwede ka nang mag-earn through copying and pasting signals. Alright, so ito guys, grabe, $30 profit before sleeping. Ito naman guys, 2 hours lang niya ginawa, grabe. Meron siyang $59, $88, $15, grabe. So, yan yung pwede mong ma-earn. Ito naman, today's profit is $231. Oh my God, I can pay my bills. These are the testimonies of the people na member po ni Tradera. Even yung mga newbie na so skeptical about the Forex, pero ngayon, grabe, in just 4 days, yung $50 account niya na almost 2K na. Diba? So, ito po, because of our coach, Max, one of the pride of Tradera. Siya yung ating coach sa 20 pips and dip. Okay? And ito guys, hipag ko, grabe, $365, $70, $85, $544, same day doing the trading side. Sabi ko nga guys, yung education na magigain mo dito, paulit-ulit mong ma-earn. So, just $99. Okay, so ito, very transparency company. Meron tayong stats for February 1 to 21. Ito po, total wins is 23 and 6 lang yung losses niya. And the pip count, 777. So, dito guys, totoo lang tayo, hindi natin kailangang mang-hype. Of course, they are not robots. Manual trading po ito na ginagawa ng mga professional traders. So, dito guys, pwede kang kumapi ng signal and syempre, dyan ka matututo, but later on, ang purpose ni Tradera is to teach us how to become a trader. Hindi lang basta taga-kopya at taga-follow ng signals. Tuturuan tayo along the way habang inaaral natin yan. And syempre, para tayo kumikita na rin, pang-subscribe, di ba? So, pwede tayong kumopya ng signals. Isa sa benefit yan while learning the Forex. So, from $10, $300, $1,000 every day. Sa tingin mo, yung $99 subscription, sulit o more than sulit na sulit? Of course, sulit na sulit yung $99 mo kasi in just one day, pwede mo nga itong kitain, di ba? So, 99 subscription valid for 28 days. What if nag-earn ka lang ng $10 per day? You still have $100 in 10 days. So, meron ka pang 18 days para mag-generate ng profit, 'di ba? So, pwede mo nang ibulsa yung earnings mo and then itabi mo na yung $99 para ma-access mo pa rin yung trade alerts at yung education for your next month. Now, do you want your next month subscription to be free? Of course! So, pwede yan. Pwedeng mangyari dito yan kay Tradera. So, ano yung gagawin mo? Kailangan mo lang mag-refer. You get your 3 personal direct referrals and your completely free membership. Napakaganda ng education ni Tradera. Ang dami mong makukuha. Meron ka pang trade alert. Just by copying the signals, pwede kang mag-earn $100, $99 kaya mong i-earn in one day. just do the proper risk management when it comes to trading. Kaya nga dapat aralin mo, sundan mo yung 2-week study plan natin. So, para maging free ang subscription mo, kailangan mo lang mag-refer ng 3. Hindi tayo guys nagbebenta ng product dito. Okay? We are offering them a more than value for money, $99, and we are investing in our knowledge. Which is, yan yung pinaka-best investment for me kasi magagamit mo yan for the rest of your lives. Pwede mo pa yung ituro sa mga anak mo, pwede mong maging business soon. Alright, so ang gagawin mo lang after makompleto mo yung tatlo is to pay the IBO membership for only $15. Para saan yan guys? Very legit po si Tradera. So, sinecured na ni company para hindi sila makompromise sa government ng US. Very strict po si US pagdating sa mga ganitong multi-level marketing and Forex trading companies. So, ang target natin maging free kasi kapag ang isang company, client lang talaga, walang affiliate side, hindi yan makakompromise. Pero once na merong ganitong networking side, so yung pagiging free member mo is part of the network side. Tama? Kasi nagbibigay ka na ng tatlo. So para maging secured tayo sa compliance, magbabayad lang tayo ng $15 IBO membership. So hindi ka na magbabayad for your next month as long as ikaw ay founder. Free ka na sa Forex education. Now, dyan na po papasok yung ating Team Fast kung saan kami yung mag-guide sa inyo, tutulong sa inyo para mag-share ng opportunity na to para maging free ang subscription mo. All you have to do kung hindi ka builder is to refer people na kakausapin natin para magkaroon ka ng 3 directs at maging free na ang subscription mo at ma-master mo na ang Forex education. Now, inviting or the networking side of this is just an option. Guys, inuulit ko, optional lang po ang pag-invite dito at tutulungan ka ng Team Fast para maging free ang subscription mo. So, very legit si company and very transparent, very humble. The owners are not businessmen, they are professional traders kung saan senior lang nila yung knowledge and skills nila about Forex trading. Kaya napakaswerte natin guys kapag nakita nyo yung opportunity na to, nagsisimula pa lang si Tradera, pasabog pa lang sa buong mundo. Ito yung the most trend business at hindi dapat palagpasin na opportunity. Now, nakita mo yung opportunity na to, it's up to you. You decide kung sasabay ka ba or panunuorin mo lang kami hanggang sa lumaki ang grupo. Ito pong company na to, this company is making history already. So, mag-iingay at mag-iingay ito. Kung nakita mo ngayon, decide now, take action now, and you are very much welcome sa team. Okay, so thank you so much. Once again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.